In this video, you'll learn how to buy and sell Pi on Bitget. This guide will take you through each step required to complete the transactions effectively. Begin by navigating to the Bitget exchange website. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during the process. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface of the exchange. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Buy Crypto. This button is typically found prominently on the home page, making it easy to access. After clicking, a new interface will appear, presenting various options for purchasing cryptocurrency. After that, select the Buy and Sell option. This choice directs you to a simplified trading interface specifically for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. You should see a message indicating your fastest way to buy crypto on this screen. Once this appears, click on the Buy button. This action will bring you to a new screen where you can input the details of your purchase. It is important to ensure your account has sufficient funds before proceeding. Following this, click on Pay. You may need to enter a payment method if prompted. Enter the code 829411 when required. This code is necessary for processing your transaction. Next, select BTT from the cryptocurrency options. This step is crucial as it allows you to specify the currency you will use for the transaction. Afterward, type in P in the search bar to locate the Pi cryptocurrency. Then, click on Pixel to choose the specific Pi token you wish to buy. This will display the relevant details and options for purchasing Pi. Proceed by clicking on Buy Pi to initiate the purchase process. To sell Pi, click on the Sell option available on the interface. After selecting this, click on USDT to indicate the currency you wish to receive in exchange for your Pi. Type in P once again to specify the cryptocurrency you are selling. Following this, click on PI to select the Pi token from the list that appears. Now, enter the amount of Pi you want to sell. Be mindful of the current market conditions, as prices can fluctuate. After entering the amount, click on Receive to confirm the transaction. Next, you may see a list of currencies to choose from. Click on VND as an example of the currency you wish to receive. This will bring up your balance and transaction details. After that, click on your VND balance to specify the amount you intend to exchange. Ensure the amount aligns with what you want to sell. Now click on Confirm to finalize the transaction. This action will prompt a confirmation message indicating that your transaction is being processed. Finally, click on Sell Pi to complete the selling process. Once you see a confirmation message, your transaction will be recorded. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.